Hi guys, I'm gonna detail a car today. There it is. It's one of my own cars, but I haven't been driving it for a few months now. I've been lending the car for someone else. Never do that. It's not a good idea. Okay, I found our old web, so I'm gonna go and get it. Okay, this is the one I've been using. It's a little small one. There's the project car and everything. Good. This is the one that I used to use. Funny. But anyway, it's full of spider webs and everything. From what I could remember from a few years ago, this thing always had a problem. Always keeps shutting down. I don't know why, but yeah. I think I maybe know what the problem was. Let me show you. As you can see, this is a new fitting. I just bought this the other day. Okay, so the one that I took off, the old one, was broken off just below that rubber seal. I think that was the cause of the problem, because when I tried to use that one's fitting for this one, because obviously they stole mine again, when I put it on, I want to connect the hose. Let me just quickly, okay. When I want to connect the hose, it doesn't really connect all the way. It doesn't push the little pin out. So I think that's why, because then the water gets shut off because it doesn't push the pin all the way out, and therefore it doesn't get water and it overheats and it just switches off. I think that's what that one's doing. We will see today. I'm going to use this one, the new one on that one, and this one. Because I had a different one here, but then someone came like, oh no, I'm just borrowing this fitting, I'll bring it back later. Yeah, it never came back. So yeah, there's the car. There's the small one. Yeah, that's a big one. There's the small one. This one's light to carry. This one not. Luckily this one's wheels still work. Okay, let's take a look how the car looks like after a few months. Okay, and here's the car. Let's have a look. As you guys can see, this car drives a little bit of gravel road. Got two mats in this car always. The original and just from the dealership I bought it from. Okay, still have the little air freshener. Go swap that one out. Okay, overall the interior is, yeah, it's dirty. Even leaves in the car. A lot of scrap in the car, even more. Still some keys. We'll put those away. At the back, more dust, more bottles, and more extras. Jeez. And some cleaning to do, eh? Let's have a look under the bonnet. Just find a little ledge. Found it. Luckily this hood has gas struts, so it's very easier. Okay, there was some mud. The cover is still quite clean. Why is this chipping off that bad? Look at that. I don't know why. Maybe the owner before me had this sprayed or something, I don't know. But we want to change the color of this, maybe to the color of the car. Still deciding. So air intake. Gee, that's dirty, eh? Now that is very dirty. The car is still warm, so I'm not gonna put on water in this area of the car now. The hood, not that bad. It's manageable. Let's overall take a look of the car. You can see it was sitting for a while. Wheels are dirty, side skirts are dirty. Gotta clean in there. Luckily we have a web. I'm not gonna go crazy on the clean of this car because it's gonna drive gravel road again. And yeah, just so that it looks better. Overall the car doesn't look that bad from what I've seen before. Let me ask you this. Do you guys know where to open the trunk of this car from the inside of the cabin? If you do, comment down below or just guess where it is before I show you. You can't just go watch the video and be like in the comments, oh yeah, I knew where it was. Let me show you guys, you will never guess it. So, normal basic interior. Your windows, lock button, mirrors, gear shifter, radio, blah blah blah, steering wheel. Normally would be where you unlock the car. Like that, there. But there's nothing. Literally nothing. And there's a little rattle here. When you drive and you put your finger there, it stops. Okay. Time's up, guys. Let me show you. You open the cable. You just push this little button. After a month of owning this car, that's when I figured out where it is, because I never used the cable. As you guys can see, it was used when I wasn't driving it. So you have to clean that out. It must be empty, clean. Only thing that could be in here is this, because it still uses CDs. Car doesn't have Bluetooth. You just press this button and it opens. There's a little flake in here. Look at the date on that thing. Jeez. I think you would literally die if you eat this now. That's bad, eh? You have like super diarrhea after eating this. We'll take that out. Okay, let's go. Usually just press here and it goes open. Look at this. There's no button at all. Okay, the trunk looks better than I expected it would be. This is where you put in the battery, because there's no space in the front for the battery. The engine's too big. There's a little latch. You just open this part. Yeah, we can also clean in there. There's even rocks in the car. How is there rocks in the car? Okay, let's get to it. Let me get this clear. Normally when you detail a car, wash a car, you don't do it outside under the trees, because the birds will just drop on the car again. And all the trees sap and stuff. But this is my car, my house. I can wash it where I want. When I do a client's car, I would rather wash it under a roof. And when I'm done with the wet work, I will just bring it into the garage, shut the door. But before I wash the car and everything, I make sure the garage and the patio and everything is clean. You don't want dust or anything. So when a car goes into the garage, there's no dust, nothing will bother me. And I could just clean the car, buff it, polish it, and we'll look at its best. So yeah, remember, just an important tip. I'm gonna wash it on the grass. This is one of our chalets, so I'm just gonna use the power from this building to take it to the car. So yeah, let's go on. Okay, we got power. When you detail show cars, cars that goes just to shows and back, that you don't drive as a daily. Those cars you want to take extra care of, because they are like the client's baby. I want it to be tip-top shape and not be ruined. So yeah, remember, always take good care of your client's car. And I only do this stuff because I like it. It's not for the pay. It's because I like doing stuff like this. I'm a very big car person. So yeah. Okay guys, so battery is about to die. That's bad. Sun's about to go down. It took me a while. Now that looks better, eh? And it looks like a mess around the car. So as you guys can see, the car is clean. I'm very happy how it turned out. It's not full detail, it's just normal wash just to get ready for tomorrow. Just gonna drive this car daily again for a while. As you can see, it's shiny. That's all I wanted. I just want it to be nice and clean, shiny again. Now this paint is very hard to get it to shine perfectly because this is actually burnt orange. That little mark right there on the door, that little one between my fingers, let me focus, right there. Okay, now the camera's just playing around. That little mark is a chip mark. I got touch-up paint back at home. I'll use that on there. Overall, I think I'm happy about how the car turned out. The seats are clean, everything. There's a little book in there. I'm just gonna keep the book there. And yes, that is how I sit and drive. That even shocked me today, because everybody's like, you're always lying down and drive. I'm like, yeah, that's most comfortable. But yeah, overall, the car came out good. The paint is very shining now. Little mark on the seat, need to clean. Overall, yeah, paint's perfect. I'll show you a different picture what I took when the sun was out by the spoiler. It looks actually very awesome. I'm not gonna polish the pipes now. Maybe not, still deciding. But yeah, that's awesome. Surprisingly, the web held. The web actually works again. This one. So I think I sorted the problem out, but only the foam gun doesn't want to work. I didn't even have to use the backup one back there. So yeah, this one, the one that was broken, this one's a very more powerful one than the other one back there. That's only a little small one. It doesn't like, it's hard to explain, but this one uses more pressure, that one uses less pressure when you use the pressure gun. So yeah, so that one also, foam gun, doesn't want to work. These foam guns are really a pain in my ass. But yeah, overall, car looks good. I'm happy. Got wheels to shine. The whole car is shining. The interior smells good again. Everything's clean. All the sun and dirt is out. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Maybe next time I'll use a different car for the video or anything. But yeah, and also I cleaned the Polo ones, a Polo Beats edition. The guy wanted to clean the car everywhere, engine bay, the trunk, everything, because he wanted to sell the car. But after, the car is like a pearl white. When he saw the car again, when he wanted to pick it up, he decided to keep the car because the car looked too good for him to sell. So yeah, that's one happy guy. And also there's the mats getting dried now. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe if you want to, please do. But yeah, thanks for watching. This is Flat Speed.